How difficult is it to lose weight and how difficult is it to stay fit? How difficult is it to build a strong immunity? When everybody is talking about, all the doctors and all the world is talking about stay fit, stay healthy, lose weight and build a strong immunity. You know what? This is the only ask during this pandemic. So what are we doing for ourselves? Are we actually doing something for ourselves? If you are one like me who never got a time for yourself, to take care of yourself, to pamper yourself, to lose weight, to build a strong immunity, then you are watching the right video. I was also like you. Till the time in Feb 2021 this year, on 4th of Feb, it was my birthday, and that was the day when I finally decided that now it's high time and now I have to lose weight. You know why? Because I was never healthy. I had put on lots of weight and I was always sick. I was never well. So, what did I do? Today I'm gonna share with you everything that I have done to lose weight. I was 70 in Feb this year and now I'm 58. So, I have lost around 12 kgs of weight. And how did I do that? So, today I'm gonna take you to my weight loss journey and what I do on a daily basis, what I eat in a day to keep myself healthy, to keep myself fit, and am I building a strong immunity. So the first thing first, when I wake up in the morning, it's 1 glass of warm water with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has some properties which helps me to lose weight. It activates me and it also helps me to reduce my belly fat. So that is the drink which I take in the morning. I also take chia drink which I soak for around 2 hours in warm water and I take it with lemon. That is also helped me in losing my belly fat. The next thing is it's around 8:15 and I would take my black coffee. You know, I was never a coffee drinker, especially the black coffee drinker. But now, since I have discovered the benefits of black coffee, I have included it in my diet. If you come to know about the benefits and you don't know about it, I will tell you. Black coffee has activating properties. It increases your performance, it helps to increase your metabolism, and thereby it helps you to lose weight. So before I go for my yoga session, which I normally do at home, I take 1 cup of black coffee every day. 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening. So that's about my coffee. Next is around 8:30 and it's time for my yoga. I take 1 hour time for my yoga and meditation every day, not a single miss. So if you are one who have not started exercising or doing yoga, please do. It really helps a lot. It is helping me a lot and it would also help you a lot. Now it's around 9:30 and it's time for my breakfast. My breakfast would be very light but filling. It's very important meal of the day because you start with your day and it gives you the fuel to do the whole day's crazy activities that you do in a day. So my breakfast would be light and that would be mostly chilas, oats, light dosa and some toasts, or it would be some multigrain rotis. So you know what, my breakfast is every day different. So every day I do have a different breakfast in my breakfast platter, and that's about my breakfast. And following that I go for my freshen ups and all. Next is at around 11:30 and it's time for my fruit time. So my fruit time or my midday snack would be 1 plate full of all the seasonal fruits that is available in the market or whatever you had at home, followed by 1 glass of juice. So every day I take different fruits in my midday snack, and my juice would also be different for each day. I'm going to share everything with you in my upcoming videos, all the recipes for my breakfast, for my lunch, for my snacks, and also for all the drinks that I take in a day. Now next is 1:30 and it's time for my lunch. So my lunch would be very simple and very light but filling, of course, and it would be a veg platter with 1 bowl of rice And I take rice only on the day which is my cheat day, I want to mention. So if I avoid rice, if you want to avoid rice, you can avoid rice. So I am omitting rice from here. So it would be 1 cup of dal, 1 cup of sabji, and 1 chapati. So that's about my lunch. And next is the time for my evening tea. It's around 5:30 in the evening, and it's time for my evening tea, my black coffee. So my black coffee would be again no sugar, no milk, pure coffee. And post that I go for my evening walk. So it's an intense walk for about 1 hour. It's 7 till 8, 1 hour. Before going for my evening walk, I take some nuts. That is my evening snack. Some roasted nuts or some snacks that I make at home. Like popcorns or something with poha, the crackle types. So that's about my evening snack. And post that I go for my evening walk, which is for 1 hour. Now it's around 9:30, and it's time for my dinner. My dinner would be again very simple, veg meal, 1 bowl of vegetable, 1 bowl of dal, and 1 chapati. Most of the days I also take dalia in the afternoon, or sometimes in the dinner also, or khichdi, which would be oats khichdi, mixed veg oats khichdi, or mixed veg dalia khichdi. I'm going to share all the recipes with you in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to watch everything. My dinner is complete, and before going to bed, one thing that I do on a regular basis without fail is I take 1 cup of green tea. Green tea, I prefer to take it at night before going to bed. You can also take it anytime during the day. I take it during night before going to bed, because it would help me to burn my extra fat even when I'm sleeping. It increases metabolism even when I'm sleeping, and it also reduces my belly fat, and thereby when I wake up in the morning I am fresh. So it cleanses your stomach also, so it gives you a complete fresh feeling when you wake up in the morning. So that's about everything what I eat in a day. So please, if you have not started your weight loss journey, please do start. Please take 1 step. It would help you a lot. It is helping me a lot. But you know what? My weight loss journey is not ending here. I have another goal to achieve, which is 52-53 kgs, and that I would be doing in the next 2 to 2.5 months. So the journey is on, and till the time I meet you in my next video, take care. Bye-bye.